Quick and easy tips about affiliate marketing. When you start a business, you are always thinking about where you will go and the heights you will rise to. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to help you reach your goals, but letting other people help and you, in turn, help them. Here are some great tips for affiliate marketing. Try and stick with companies who are generous and proven in the affiliate marketing business. A 20% profit sharing split is a good threshold for deciding which affiliate companies you should work with. Affiliate companies that treat their workers fairly know that good commissions attract quality workers and more business. Pay attention to how the agent tries to sell you on a lower ranked company. Some agents will tell you that a high rating doesn't matter, or that they have inside information regarding the company's strength. Agents like these are not to be trusted, and you should no longer do business with them. It takes proper planning to be successful in any business, and affiliate marketing is certainly no exception. If you can create a proper plan of attack and follow through on it, then you should have no trouble getting your message out to the intended traffic. After that, it's just a matter of time before those commissions roll in. One good way to evaluate a potential affiliate marketing partner is to examine the material they give to potential customers, such as their sales letter. You can learn a lot about an affiliate by seeing how they treat their customers. Think of yourself as a customer and ask yourself if the affiliate is someone you would buy from. Taking on affiliates to increase your business can be a masterful decision. You have to make sure that you follow these affiliate marketing tips so that you can build your business and you can help your affiliates build theirs as well. Both parties can benefit with affiliate marketing, so work hard to keep it working well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.